everybody, it's Neil. Sorry about the squeaking in the background. I've got a bunch of little puppies. Here, I'll show you them so you can see them. They are there going crazy. Time to change their pads. Okay, so today I have this. This is a cooler backpack. I'm gonna need this to go a little, to get away from them and get some drinks on. So let's just check this thing out and see how it looks. So, is there an easy way to open it? Maybe not. Okay, let's see. Let's open this up and check it out. So that's what this is going to be here. So let's open this up and see how it is. So this is the straps here. So this backpack. It's got a nice little handle here. Nice little snap on it. Not sure what you would snap on. Oh, I guess to snap it closed so you can snap two sides. Okay, so let's check this out. So this is what it looks like here. I'll open it up. Let me move you guys back a little so you can see the whole thing. So I'm going to unzip it. And it looks like it's got a zipper on each side so you can kind of close it up in the middle and then be able to sneak your hand in there. Let's see what we got here. Let's open it up. And we have a very large size cavity in there. I'm guessing I could fit probably 20 sodas or so in there, 20 beers or something, whatever it is in there. And then you've got that there, and it's got a pouch on the side, which is nice, very nice. And then it closes up like that at the top. And then let's see what the front looks like here. So we have another double zipper up front, these are nice because then you can do it either way. It opens up here, that opens up fully. You can put some plates if you wanted to have a backpack, you put the plates. You got cups, you got places for like forks and knives or whatever. On the side you got 3 little pouches. Sorry, I'm looking at it upside down. 3 little pouches here and a big one there. And then that zips up. And then we have another section up here. Very cool, which is a little pocket. So you put my phone and things like that in there. So very nice little looking backpack. And then it's got the straps and it's, the mesh on both sides. But let's try it on and see how it goes. So with nothing in it, fits like a champ. Let's try to put a few drinks in here and see what happens. I'm just gonna put a 6-pack of drinks in here just to give it some weight, and you can see it fits way down in there. It could probably fit, if I really wanted to, I could fit 4 of those in there, so that'd be 24 easily drinks in there. No problem whatsoever. Let's see how it is with a little bit of weight in there. And with a little bit of weight, backpack fits great. Man, that's pretty comfortable. It's got padded straps, so that's very nice. So it's a pretty nice backpack. And if I wanted to, I could just like cinch them up or whatever and hold it this way. So that's actually good too. So I can hold it either way. Very nice little backpack. This is gonna get a lot of use because I go on a lot of little road trips and things like that and just need to be able to take it places. So I'm gonna say this is very nice, and it looks like inside here, since we've got that plastic liner in there, it should be pretty waterproof. It said it was waterproof on the instructions, and I'm guessing it was telling the truth because it looks like that. I know I've had some of these start to leak before, and I usually just line them with a plastic Ziploc or something like that, but it seems good to me, and it's by EasyFun. I've actually gotten a couple of EasyFun other things before. It's kind of funny. I've gotten, I think, a lunchbox and stuff, and still use that too. So that's how I remember the name, because I see it all the time. So very nice. I like it. So thumbs up from me for this cooler backpack. Definitely thumbs up. 2 thumbs up. Very nice. Going to be using this a lot. Seems well constructed. The stitching looks great. So yeah, I'm going to put a link to this in the description so you guys can pick one up yourselves. Like my videos, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some more reviews soon. Thanks. Bye.